Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Build a Public update. Weeks 43, 44 this time. Let's jump right into it. For Swiftbrief, our SEO content brief generator, we have started after launching V2, so version 2 of the app. We have started outreach. We have already collected some feedback. A lot of it is centered around wait times, etc. And convenience. We're mainly targeting agencies and in-house SEOs right now, where the agency will more likely prefer having added control over what's going on versus in-house SEOs more leaning towards convenience to just make it super easy for them to use. I think we can cater to both. It's just a matter of doing it right. And then basically maybe starting with the convenience and then having added controls that are on top of that, right? So that out of the box we offer convenience, and then if you need to tweak the result to make it more consistent or more accurate, but you will have to spend some time to do that, then we can give you the option to do that. And I think the wait times here come from a lack of kind of education around what the tool is doing in the background. So a lot of the processes that will people will run manually, we're already doing automatically, but we're not communicating well to the user that that's what's going on, which leads to a comparison, so to speak, between, let's say, Swiftbrief and Ahrefs or Ahrefs, where people expect, let's say, 1, 2, 3 second response times, but they also have to put in a lot of work manually, which then adds up to, let's say, 1 or 2 hours. Instead, we're doing everything automatically. And then that takes a little bit longer, it takes like 2 minutes or whatever. And in the end, they will save a lot of time. It's just not super clear what's going on. So these are 2 angles or 2 things we will work on improving. And yeah, we'll continue outreach. We'll scale it a bit more to get more data points and to just get some critical mass in terms of what we need to fix. But already a good start. And we also have a kind of roadmap, or yeah, just a bunch of items we need to tackle, mainly related to activation and retention. So how can we make it super easy for the user to get started? Things like onboarding, things like manually importing CSV files, all the kind of boring crap that needs to be done in order to make it super easy for people to get started with the tool and to kind of show the value that it delivers in a good way. And then some enhancements of existing features. Yeah, like for example, letting people tweak the outline after it's done by running prompts on top of it and just custom work, etc. So there's still more work to be done. I mean, always more work to be done, but yeah, we'll get there slowly, and we've kind of hashed it out. We also have a first kind of positive signal in terms of V2. One of the customers that churned from version 1 is now paying, and they offered to pay themselves because we weren't charging them because they were very helpful in giving feedback, and they were on staging. So they were, while we developed new features, they were just testing and giving feedback. And so I wasn't charging them, but they offered to pay for it. Yeah, I charged them like a reduced price for the help that we've been getting, but I also wanted to use it as a feedback signal or validation signal that we are moving in the right direction with what we're doing, right? Because yeah, we've been getting feedback, but out of the people that we've reached out to, nobody has actually paid. They've signed up, they tried it out. It's also not how we're pitching it. We're not like directly saying, okay, get a paid plan, whatever. We're just like give us feedback and try it out, and you can use it for free, right? So it's a bit different, but I think this is a great signal to get for us. And yeah, that's Swiftbrief. All right, for Maid of Speeches or Maid of Honor, or also now Best Man Speech Generator, we have had the goal of hitting $2,000 in the month of October. We have not hit that. We have, as you can see, we've reached something like 1900, which I guess is not hitting the goal, but it's still 33% better than last month, which I think is considerable. And I think the direction is right. Just more work that needs to be done in terms of marketing, in terms of getting it in front of more people. And to do that, we're also gonna launch on Product Hunt again. And Product Hunt works in a way where you create the initial product that gives it some sort of hub, and then you can just have new launches for that product, which then can be things like this. So this is just the Maid of Honor speech generator, but geared towards best men. So usually that will be the guy or the groom's kind of guy, best men. And we're just gonna launch it on Product Hunt. That's just a way of getting more eyeballs on it. I don't think it will necessarily do a lot for the bottom line, but that's also not the goal. It's just awareness and backlink, things like that, to the page itself, because it's a different page than the Maid of Honor generator, speech generator. And we'll do the same thing in a couple weeks when we have the wedding vows, and also gives the team just something to celebrate, just some quick dopamine here and there, and it's just a good day, some celebration, and then getting back to work. That's usually how it works. All right, that's everything for now. If any of the stuff sounds interesting to you and you want to keep in the loop what we're up to, feel free to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, cheers.